Are you wondering how to use JungleScout's Amazon product database to find profitable products? Well, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to leverage this powerful tool to make smart product decisions and boost your Amazon business. The Amazon product database is one of JungleScout's most useful features, and it's designed specifically to help you search for profitable products on Amazon. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned seller, JungleScout gives you the data and insights to make informed decisions that can lead to success. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing how you can get access to this software for free and with some exclusive bonuses. First off, once you log into JungleScout, head over to the product database section. This tool is your starting point to search through Amazon's entire product catalog. You can filter and customize your search based on different criteria like category, price range, sales volume, ratings, and more. The power lies in the ability to narrow down results to find products that have high potential for profitability. Let's dive deeper into how the filters work. You can start by choosing the product category you're interested in. For example, if you're focused on electronics or beauty products, select that specific category, and JungleScout will show you only the products within that space. Now, you don't have to sift through thousands of irrelevant items. Next, you can use the sales filter. By adjusting the sales volume, you can spot products that are actually selling and avoid those that are stagnating. This is where you'll find hidden gems, products that are generating consistent sales, but may not be as competitive as top-selling items. The price range filter is another crucial one. If you're looking for high-ticket items or budget-friendly products, you can set this filter to find products that fit your business model. Pricing your products competitively is key to standing out in the crowded Amazon marketplace, and JungleScout's database helps you identify the right price points. Another feature to take note of is the review rating filter. This is where you can find products with positive reviews, which can be a sign of strong market demand. But remember, just because a product has a lot of reviews doesn't mean it's guaranteed to be profitable. You need to balance demand with competition. One of my favorite features of the Amazon product database is the opportunity score. This score helps you quickly assess the profitability of a product. It takes into account the competition, demand, and other factors, so you don't have to analyze every product manually. Products with higher opportunity scores are the ones you'll want to pay attention to. Once you've got your list of potential products, the next step is to dive deeper into each one. You can access historical data for pricing, sales rank, and trends to see how the product has been performing over time. This will help you predict future demand and make smarter decisions when sourcing your products. Now, if you want to make your product search even more effective, JungleScout offers the ability to export your results into a CSV file. This lets you compare multiple products side by side, helping you identify which ones are worth pursuing. You can even organize this data in a way that makes sense for your analysis, ensuring you never miss a detail. But here's the best part. JungleScout is offering you the chance to use the Amazon product database for free. Yes, you heard that right. Click the first link in the description below to get exclusive access to an extended free trial of this powerful software, along with some bonus tools to make your product research even easier. This is the perfect opportunity to get hands-on with JungleScout and see just how much it can help you find profitable products to sell on Amazon. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, this tool will save you hours of research and give you an edge over the competition. So, make sure to grab your free trial now and start using JungleScout's Amazon product database to find profitable products. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to check out the other exclusive bonuses available with the link below.